Greetings, 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 and welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Right now, we're doing a series on miracles, signs, and wonders performed by Jesus and his disciples, and it's a help with a build with faith. So, if you want to build your faith, just follow me, and if you want more people to build for them faith, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with at least one somebody. And if you don't do it yet, may I invite you to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure, say, you don't miss none of what I go on right or so. 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the Good News about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 6 from verse 53 to verse 56. After Jesus and his special follower them crossed the lake, they tap at one place named Gennesaret. When they come out of the boat, same time people see say Jesus. So they run all over the area, go for the sick people them and carry them on them stretcher, go everywhere. Then did hear say Jesus did they. Every district, our countryside, our marketplace where Jesus go, the people them carry them sick people to him. Them beg him to just make them touch the inner clothes. And everybody will do that. Get better. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.